And so the first step that I want to encourage you to do is define your career mission. Your passion, purpose, values. What's that audacious goal? Now, an audacious goal should be a goal that's so big that it scares you.
We were talking about changing your mindset. That one really struck me and really resonated with me because it's so true, not only if you're hacking your career or moving within the corporate structure, but if you're also launching an entrepreneurial endeavor, you really do have to change your mindset.
Oh my gosh, I spent the entire workshop furiously taking notes, and so I feel inspired walking away, and what I loved is that everything was very actionable.